Initially, I was very skeptical, but after the completion of the program this past summer, I'm a completely changed man. Caltech embarked on this partnership with Base 11, taking summer interns from the community colleges. And so you helped us identify these high potential, low resource students. If you didn't tell me that they were from the community college, I couldn't tell the difference. The summer interns have a research project of their own, and they work in laboratory in collaboration with the graduate students.
There are many rewarding aspects. You get to dorm side by side with the undergrad students. The weekly lab tours that we visited, fluid mechanics labs, we visited solid mechanics labs, we visited computational labs. You get to talk one-on-one with the graduate students who are doing that research.
I gave them an optional homework problem. I said, I'm not going to collect it, you don't really have to do it if you don't want to, but if you really want to get the material, make sure you can do this. Sal did all of them, each time without fail. He didn't do it because he was so comfortable with the material. He actually did it because he was uncomfortable with the material. That takes an incredible amount of courage and perseverance.
I was blown away by the presentations the Base 11 interns made. Their performance was as good or better than the undergraduates coming from the best of the best schools.